it's Aika, and for today's video, I will be doing a big fat summer haul. I would like to thank Zaffle for sending me these clothes and for sponsoring this video. You know, if you had told me 5 years ago that a company would actually like reach out to me to send me clothes that I actually would wear, I would totally like freak out. I wouldn't know how to act. I just want to thank you guys for this amazing opportunity. Thank you so much. This wouldn't be possible without all your support. Zaffle reached out to me 3 months ago, and I did order these clothes 3 months ago as well. I wasn't able to get it sooner because of all the things that's been going on. Nevertheless, these clothes are still super fun, perfect for summer, and these are also the clothes that I would wear on my Instagram photos. And if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, go follow me. It's just at aikaagustin, and I'm gonna put the link down below. Okay, so we're gonna start with the first thing that I have on my pile over here. I have this skirt, this kind of like a leopard print skirt. I don't know what you call this print, but it's just like splotches of black with this gold fabric. I like this one because of the cloth. It's kind of like this satin material, so it's really breezy, perfect for summer. And it is black, it has black spots, so I'm gonna probably wear this with a black tank top. Actually, this came in a set. It came with this tank top. Ang daming sets na makita nyo sa Zaffle, and sets are perfect because you can wear the top with other like bottoms, like shorts. This one's like perfect with some mom shorts. And as always, I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys can easily like get them if you wanna buy them for yourself. I've been looking for a lot of dresses lately just because they're really easy to wear, and I just feel like I don't really have that many like dresses, so I decided to pick one up. And this one's in this gingham print. Am I saying it right? Gingham? Yeah, it sounds right to me. I don't know. It reminds me of a picnic blanket, but it's really cute. And it has some lace here at the top. You know what? There are many ways that you can wear a dress. You can wear a shirt under this, or you can even wear like a sweater over this. It's versatile. I can wear it as a top, I can wear it as a bottom. My Pinterest is filled with schoolgirl type of outfits, so I got this blue plaid skirt. The sizes in Zaffle kind of run a little big, so I did have to like sew this at the sides for it to fit me perfectly, but that's okay because it's always better to buy a size bigger, especially for ordering online. This one has a slit in front, and I love that because I feel like it flatters my body more instead of like just one like straight cut skirt. This one has 2 slits, so I don't know, it just looks better to me. I totally see myself wearing this with, oh my god, you guys can't see it, but it's here. This butterfly crop top with this skirt looks super duper cute. And I also have another one. This one's in this kind of like a wool material, but it's actually not that thick, so it's still good for summer. This one's more of like a basic. I'm gonna wear this with like a white tank or with like a sweater. Oh my god, I love the style of like you're wearing a sweater and then there's like a collar like popping out. Yeah, I like that style a lot. I feel like I'm a little late on the trend with cow prints, but I still decided to get one. And I actually posted a story about this on my Instagram, and a lot of you were asking me where I got it. And this one's from Zaffle. I love anything that's animal print, so I just had to get a cow print tank top. I got another set. This one's in this gingham blue and pink pattern. Okay, this is a little too long for me, so I think I'm gonna have to like ask someone to make it shorter because I have short legs, so long skirts doesn't like suit my body type. But I still love the print of this, and it has some ruffles here at the bottom, and the top of it is super cute and super duper flattering, guys. It has a tie like detailing at the back, so medyo like backless siya and super cute. I'm gonna wear this with my sticky bra, my chicken cutlets, para hindi kita yung straps sa likod. I picked up this baby tee for school, but since we don't have school right now, I'm just gonna wear it at home, and it's super duper comfortable, and it has some cute patterns lot of flowers here in front. Long shorts have been kind of a thing lately, so I picked this one up. It's kind of like a mix of grunge and basic. I don't really have that many shorts with some rips on it. I don't know, it wasn't my style before, but I'm totally like in it for the rips right now. It just adds more character to it, and sobrang ganda ng fit nito, especially with the belt. I like how loose it is because it kind of gives it that tomboyish vibe. So I wanted to try something different, and I wanted to try out this style. So I got this Tokong shorts in this black shade. It has that like black denim smell. You guys know that when you buy black denim, it has like a specific like scent to it. But yeah, I think this would be really perfect for summer with some crop tops and all that. I just got this for a change because, you know, we're all about like trying out different styles here. This blazer reminds me a lot of Sher in Clueless. Sobrang cute nito. The material isn't thick. It's kind of thin. So it's still perfect for that windy kind of weather, and the pattern's really cute. You know, I don't really wear jackets that often, so this is perfect for whenever I plan to because it's a mix of like being stylish and still being comfy. I got this white one piece, and I know it's so crumpled, but yeah, I definitely like need to iron this one. It's just that I don't have an iron with me right now. I like tops like this because it doesn't come up. Like, you know, when you're wearing a crop tank top and it keeps like showing off your tummy, this one's like perfect because you can tuck it in and it's just gonna stay in place. And of course, white is always a staple. So we're adding a little bit of color in this next few pieces. I got this neon green tank top. Actually, parang siyang apple green na shade. It's kind of unique as well because usually when you see green tops, it's kind of like pastel-y, but this one has a darker tone to it. And the swimsuit that I'm never going to wear this summer because, you know, we on quarantine. I got this green blue tie-dye swimsuit, super cute. I always have a problem with buying swimsuits online just because usually it doesn't fit me. Usually like it's too big for me, but this one has a tie type of like back, so I can like adjust it to how I want it to be. Then I also got the matching bottoms. A little cheeky, you know, kind of scandalous for the beach, but still cute. You guys know that I'm all about the pastel shades, you know, colorful pastel tops. But I wanted to try out this color. I feel like I don't really have anything in this shade. This is really flattering on the body because it has a v-neck and you can also tie it here in front. I'm planning to layer this with a white crop top inside so it's not too revealing, but super cute siya, and I like the shade of it. It's in this powder blue shade. I got these two dad shoes. Oh my god, I've always wanted one of these, and I'm so glad that they had it when I was ordering online, and it's super cute. And you may be wondering why I'm holding it like this, if you know it might be dirty or anything, but I haven't worn this one yet. I did try them on and it's super duper comfortable. Like, it felt like I was walking on clouds. So sobrang ganda ng quality nito. I can't wait to wear this. So that's everything that I got from Zaffle. Thank you so much, Zaffle, for sending me these clothes. And I'm also gonna show you guys these two like denim jeans that I got from an online store in the Philippines. It's called The Paradoxical Clothing, and I'm gonna link their Instagram shop down below. They sent me this mom jeans, light wash siya, so I can wear it with a lot of tops. And usually for summer, I prefer wearing light wash jeans just because it looks like easy on the eyes. It's not too tight. I don't really like wearing tight jeans anymore, and sobrang ganda ng quality nito. So if you're looking for mom jeans, go check Paradoxical Clothing. I also got this mom shorts from them. Sobrang sakto nga kasi I didn't have anything in these like two shades, and they sent me what I didn't have. They just read my mind that I didn't have it. So those are all the clothing pieces that I'm gonna show you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!